Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a Dyson vacuum that won't turn on. Watch the video until the end to learn this and more. Here are ways to fix the issue. First, the problem could be the vacuum's power source. To address this, inspect the power cord to ensure the vacuum is plugged into the power outlet firmly. Plug another device into the socket to confirm it's functioning well. If an extension cord powers your vacuum, ensure it's not overloaded and it's functioning well. For a vacuum without a cord, the battery could be the issue. To confirm this, inspect the battery to confirm it's correctly in place in the vacuum. If removable, extract the battery. Then put it back in place to ensure its proper installation. Then check if the battery has low charge level. If yes, charge it accordingly. If the battery is old or cannot retain charge, consider getting a new one. Lastly, the vacuum is probably overheated. That requires a thermal cutout reset. In response, do the following. Power down the vacuum and unplug it. Let the device cool down. Do this for an hour or longer. Plug the device back in, then switch it on. And there you have it. These are the possible ways to fix a Dyson vacuum that won't turn on. Thanks for watching. Till next time.